Our equation for today is a farmer has 900 feet of fencing to enclose 2 adjacent rectangular gardens. Find the dimensions of the garden that will provide the maximum enclosed area. So our first step is to draw a diagram of the problem. So it says it was 2 rectangular adjacent gardens, so we will label these sides x, 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 y, y, y. And so next up is to write the equation for area. So in this case it would be area is equal to 2xy. And then our next step is to write the equation for perimeter, which would be, so this is area equation. And so our perimeter equation would be 4x plus 3y is equal to 900. This is perimeter. And then our next step is to solve for y in the perimeter equation. So our perimeter equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 900. So to solve for y, we would subtract 4x, so it would be 3y is equal to negative 4x plus 900. And then we would divide everything by 3. So we would get y is equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 300. And then our next step is to substitute our new y value into the area equation. So to do this, it would be our area equation is equal to 2xy. So if we substitute in y, it would be 2x, then negative 4 over 3x plus 300. And we would distribute the 2x, so then we would get negative 8x squared over 3 plus 600x. And then our next step is to find the maximum value using x is equal to negative b over 2a. So our b is 600, so negative b would be negative 600 over 2a would be over 2, and our a is, in this case, negative 8 over 3. Negative 8 over 3. So when we multiply this out, it would be negative 600 over negative 16 over 3. So to get rid of the fraction on the bottom, we will multiply by negative 3 over 16. So that would cancel, and that would cancel. So then we would multiply negative 600 by 3 over 16 also. So when we multiply this out, we get 1,800 over 16, which is negative over 16, and when we divide that out, we get, I believe, 112.5. So our x is equal to 112.5. This is equal to 112.5. And so our next step is to plug x into our perimeter equation. So when we do this, it would be, our perimeter equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 900. So if we substitute in x, it would be 112.5 times 4, which multiplies out to 450, plus 3y is equal to 900. And then, so we subtract 450 minus 450. So we get 3y is equal to 450. So then we divide by 3, and we find out that y is equal to 150. Y is equal to 150. And so to find our maximum area, we just plug in our x and y into our area equation. So our area equation was a is equal to 2xy. So in this case it would be 2, our x value is 112.5, and our y value is 150. And so when you multiply those out, we find out that our maximum area is 33,750 feet squared. And that is how you solve this equation.